Immigration can feel a little nerve-wracking, right? And when it comes to Japan, some people say the immigration process is kinda strict. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to handle Japan's immigration ahead of time. All online. If you use this method, entering Japan will be way smoother and easier than before. I hope your trip to Japan turns out to be amazing. This makes immigration to Japan easy. Right now, there are actually 3 ways to go through immigration in Japan. The first one is the old school way. You fill out a paper form before landing and hand it in at the counter. It's a pretty standard method, and lots of countries still use it. The second way is way more convenient. You submit your information online before your flight, using a special website provided by the Japanese government. Then you go through immigration with everything ready, and that's the one I'll be explaining today. What is Visit Japan Web? So, what is Visit Japan Web? Right now, the Japanese government is recommending that travelers use this website to make immigration smoother. Visit Japan Web is an official website where you can enter all your immigration details before you even arrive in Japan. And there are some big advantages to using it. First of all, it makes going through immigration a lot faster and easier. In recent years, the number of people entering Japan for tourism and business has really gone up. That means international arrival counters can get super crowded, especially during busy seasons. But if you've already submitted your info through Visit Japan Web, your process is much smoother. Plus, you can choose between using a special fast-track counter or a regular one, whichever has the shorter line. Second, if the immigration rules change suddenly, you can stay up to date and adjust your info ahead of time. Just like in other countries, Japan's entry requirements can change without notice, especially since COVID-19. With Visit Japan Web, you can always check what documents or info you'll need before your trip. Of course, just registering on the site doesn't mean you're automatically approved. It's just a way to submit your information in advance and make the process smoother at the airport. How to use Visit Japan Web. Visit Japan Web is an online website. Yep, no app for now. As long as you can open a browser on your smartphone or computer, you're good to go. Just one thing. When you arrive in Japan, you'll need to show a QR code that's issued by the website. So, you'll want to have a smartphone or tablet with you at immigration. Currently, the site is available in English, Korean, and Chinese. Even if your native language isn't one of those, most travelers from around the world can still use the system without any problems. And the best part? It's super easy to register. First, just create an account using your email address. Then, you'll enter things like your personal information, your passport details, you'll need to take a photo of it, your flight info, where you'll be staying in Japan, and what your plans are, and that's pretty much it. You'll need to take a photo of your actual passport, so make sure you're using a smartphone or PC with a camera. If you already have a visa for Japan, you'll also need to enter your visa information. But here's some good news. Japan has visa exemption agreements with many countries for short stays. So if you're from one of those countries, you don't need to worry about the visa part. If you're bringing anything that needs to be declared, like certain goods or cash, you can also fill out the customs declaration online. And if there's anything special, like health-related concerns or quarantine info, you can take care of that too. Traveling with family? You can register up to 10 people at once, as long as you're all coming in together. Unless something unusual comes up, the whole registration process usually takes about 10 minutes. Once you're done, you'll get a QR code. Don't forget, you'll need to show that QR code during immigration in Japan. Visit Japan Web is a way to register your immigration info in advance. It doesn't change Japan's immigration rules or guarantee approval. But here's the thing. Japan's immigration areas can get really crowded these days. Visit Japan Web is an official service provided by the Japanese government, and it's recommended by immigration authorities too. So why not use it and make your arrival in Japan super smooth? You'll find the Visit Japan Web link down below in the video description. And here on Earth's Japan channel, we'll keep bringing you more videos to help you explore and enjoy Japan even more. Bye! See you!